Hi, this is Delhi Vocabulary Dose number 1. Here you can learn English with Iangrezi. This will be a video of 5 to 7 minutes where you can add new vocabularies in your life. So here we go. So with our word deliberate, that means something happened knowingly, intentionally, in a planned way. If I say that you did this intentionally, means you did this deliberately, you did this knowingly, that is your mistake because you were aware while you were doing all these things, so it is your mistake. So in the simple words we can say this means done on purpose rather than by accident. This was done on purpose. This was done intentionally to get or to you know to get your purpose. So here we'll go with the example. That was a deliberate attempt to provoke conflict between husband and wife. You can see this couple is fighting because someone did something. Someone created misunderstanding between these two. So that's why they are fighting. And that person did this thing intentionally. That was a deliberate attempt to provoke conflict between husband and wife. You have seen these examples in your life as well. You are in love with someone and your friend sometimes maybe sometimes jealous, then he just want that you break up. I know, you just find it these examples. Then the synonyms we go for this is intentional and planned. It is simple. Something was done intentionally, was done in a planned way. Conscious. Conscious means you were pretty aware about whatever you were doing. Okay, so it was intentionally done because you were pretty aware. So we can take the example for the conscious is I am conscious of things going around me. Okay, so means I know whatever the things are going around me, I'm aware. Okay, be cautious. Cautious means you are careful. You are careful means you know whatever steps you are taking. So again, it is intentionally you did something. Knowingly, you know what you were pretty sure. Okay, whatever you were doing. So knowingly you did this. Then purposely, on purpose, willingly, willfully. Similar words. Wittingly means you did something when you were pretty aware. Okay, similar words. Voluntarily, this word can be used in two ways. You can see sometimes in the news, like in NGO, you can read these lines that you can go for voluntary jobs for social. Okay, so social services. Okay, they are the voluntary jobs in which you can help society. Okay, and you can help in some welfare scheme. So in that way, in that mean it means that if you will give that voluntary jobs, you will be not paid. Okay, that will be free. You will not get the salary for that. So it will be a voluntary jobs. But the second meaning of this voluntarily means you know whatever you were doing. Okay, this is what you wanted. That's why you came. So you are aware about whatever you are doing. It is your choice. So it is voluntarily. Antonyms for this word is accidentally. You know, accident takes place on the road accidentally. Yes, that's true. That's why we call that it is an accident because it was not planned. It was not organized. This just happened suddenly. You were not aware. Okay, it was a mistake when you hit someone. Incidentally, similar to accidentally, then haphazardly. Have you seen some people don't organize their books on table? They don't organize their clothes in the room. That is haphazardly. In an unorganized way, they keep their things in the room. Okay? The next word is randomly. If you fall in love with someone randomly, means you didn't plan, you never thought about that girl. That girl just came in your life randomly. That was not your planning to have that girl in your life, but that was a random act. So it was randomly. Involuntarily, that just opposite to voluntarily. Unwillingly, impulsively. There is some impulse, okay, there is some impulsive force. means that is something natural, not from external, from your emotions, feelings, not from the outside world. Some impulsive force, okay, like when you are in love and someone going to leave you, like maybe going somewhere for a few months, you will feel that impulsive, like you want to hug that person. That is some, internal force. You can see here example, okay. I saw my boyfriend leaving. Impulsively, I reached out and kissed him. So you kissed him, but you didn't plan to kiss him, but he was going, okay, leaving you. He was going somewhere. So you just had this impulsive force inside you that make you to kiss him. Okay. Then there is the next word, instinctively. Instinctively, have you seen some people just talk like this? I have this instinct today that you will get this job. Means I have this internal feeling, natural feeling, okay, that you will get this job. There is no physical guarantee for this. There is nothing, okay, in your hand that you can say that person will get a job, but there is a feeling, instinct in your heart, okay. So that is not organized, not planned. That is something coming from your heart in a unplanned way, instinctively. Then there is like a word spontaneously. Something happened suddenly. Means you didn't plan this. That just happened spontaneously. So I have this instinct that you will be very good in English in few days. Okay. So if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. And have a good day. Thank you.